Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite compatible GPU problem easy and quick. First click here and type view advanced system settings, and after that once you're here all you have to do click settings, then go to advanced and click change, turn off this option and then click here. And now once you're here type 1024 and then second one you need to multiply 1024 with how many RAM you have. Like if you have 8 GB RAM, just type multiply it with 8 1024 multiply and then type how many GB RAM you have, and that's it. Now just type here and then click set at OK, and that's it. OK again and OK, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.